Welcome back to another video, guys. Most of you have challenges of identifying where your stop loss levels would be and take profit levels would be. I took a trade on V for 15 days. This is a demo account, basically. It's a demo account, so I'll be showing you guys how to place your stop loss levels, where to place them, and where to place your take profit levels. So you guys can see I sold V50 index at this point. If to say I'm to place a stop loss level, where would my stop loss be? My stop loss would definitely be above this our last high. Why will it be above this our last high? Because there's a high chance of the market coming back to this our level, like giving us a move back to this our zone, then retracing back to the downside. So placing our stop loss at this zone would really be wrong, because we could easily get stopped out on the market, giving us a little move to the upside, like a retracement. But if our stop loss can be above this our last high, this our last high will kind of be a resistance in the market. This is a kind of a resistance, a fresh resistance in the market. So having our stop loss above this our last high would make more sense. It would make more sense because the market could push to the upside, but has a lesser chance of breaking this our level. Can just give us a move to the upside and give us retracement back to the downside. Placing a stop loss above the last high or above the last resistance in the market would make more sense. And our take profit levels, where is the right place our take profit should be? Where should be the right take profit level? So you guys can see that our TP level would be at our nearest level of resistance. You can see that in this whole move to the upside, there is no place of resistance or support. Basically, there's no place of support in this whole move. The only place we had a support level was at this point. So the resistance level now turned support because the market was trading above it. You can see how the market reacted to this point as a resistance. So this space, we assume that this is a free space for the market to move, to give us a move to the downside. So our take profit level will be at this our zone, to be our take profit level, because we have seen how empty this level is, this point is. So placing our take profit level at this zone would make a lot of sense. Having our take profit level at this our nearest level of support would make more sense, and our stop loss level above this our last high, like above the last high, would make more sense. See our entry level, our stop loss, and our take profit. And at times in the synthetic indices market, you really don't have to wait for the market to hit your TP. It's advisable to have multiple TPs, like having your first TP at this point. Having your first TP at this point would make a lot of sense. Like, you share the market into two: your first TP at this point, the second TP at this point, because anything could happen. The market is a lot volatile. Like, you can easily get a reversal or a move. Like, the market may not really get your TP, and it's not much that the market must hit your TP. Always do well to pay yourself. Always take profits in the market. The market owes you nothing. Like, there's no guarantee that the market will surely give us a move to our TP levels, but always take profit levels at least 1:1 of your risk. For example, our first TP is 1:1 of our risk. Our risk is this big. If I calculate our risk, let's assume that our risk is like $5. Our take profit level will be like, our first TP will be like $5. If $100 is our risk, like our stop loss level, let our first take profit level be $100, or at least half of it, $50. Always pay yourself in the trade. The market owes you nothing. And then why did I sell this index? I saw the market give us a left shoulder here, a head, and a right shoulder. So I sold this reversal formation. So working with the market reversal patterns and formations would make a lot of sense. And I saw that the market gave us this rejection candles on the 1 hour time frame. Two rejections at this point. First rejection, second rejection. Then we are getting the sell off. Our take profit level at this point, our second TP. And when we zoom out on the charts on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we have another level of resistance at this point. That would be our next TP level. That would be our next TP level, our next level of resistance at this zone, basically. Okay, let me see if I can set a TP level at this zone. Let me identify it first. So that would be our first TP level. If I can get the retracements on that our zone. Let me move to the lower time frame. Okay, our third TP level will be at this point, because that's our next level of resistance. Because the markets could break further. The market could break further to this zone. Market could break further to this zone for our, like, we could get a further sell-off to this our zone, because we have seen that this level is a level of resistance in the past, now turned support. The market bouncing off here, selling off from this zone, selling off from here, finally gave us a breakout of it. So the first point the market could get to and reverse would be at this level. Then the second point to be at this zone. So that's how to set our take profit and stop loss levels in the market. So I sold the 50 index on the reversal formation that we got on the 5-minute time frame. Working with the reversal formations would make a lot of sense. You guys can see the trade is moving nicely well, up $7. Though it's a demo account, but I'm using this to give you guys examples. Using this to show you guys how to set your TP and your take profit and stop loss levels. So that is basically it, guys. Our first TP is about to hit. I'm looking forward to our second TP, then basically our third TP, and this could be a level of support, an important level as well. So having these zones identified would help you know where the market could possibly reverse, like to help you know where the market could possibly reverse, the possible level of reversal in the market if you are selling, and if you are buying, have your TP level. Okay, let's assume that you want to buy from this zone. You are buying from this our level. You are buying from here. Let's assume you are buying from here. Let's assume you are buying from this, and the breakout of this our reversal formation. Remember, we got a double bottom at this point. Market gave us this nice reversal formation that gave us a move to the upside that produced this buy of this double bottom formation, produced this buy to the upside. Okay, let's say you want to buy, or you bought at this breakout of this our reversal formation. Our stop loss level will be at this point, basically below this our last low. That's the best place for our stop loss level to be, below this our level. Then our TP level will be, first TP level will be our level of resistance, the first point at which the market resisted at, which is at this zone. So having your TP levels and stop loss levels set below or above our stop loss and take profit levels would make a lot of sense in the market. So that's how I practically set my stop loss and take profit levels. If you enjoyed the video, please just smash like button and subscribe if you're a new viewer. And my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys for let's engaging in my videos. You leave me a lot. Let's do more, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.